Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, bom dia. Hoje eu tenho sessão de 16 euros. I have 16 euro session, guys. I use these three coins: random red, M2M, and full scratcher. Let's start. Where do we start? Let's start with the Palabras Sutras. The ticket number every time they see my brown stupid face. Ticket number 20 and 34. They give me whatever. Oh, the same book, but different. Look, 34, 20 and 34. But the same book. Okay? Use full scratcher for this. Let's scratch the fast way. Okay? I need letra A to win. Of course, you don't give me. Sure. Fear, no? But I have I, U, and E. But no O. Ah, there's O. There's O? No. There's no O. If there's O, I win with this. No O. Sai, Hora. This is a winner. Okay, so this is a winner. D, E, and I. Prata, no. No letter A. Lime, L-I. No M. No M. Onze. No O. Solto, no. No O. So only one win. Okay. How much? D. D for cinco. Okay, not bad, guys. Cinco is not bad. D is cinco? I think so. Okay, so not bad. Okay, so this is not a winner because no letter A, no O, no A, no O, no A, no A. Letter A, no letter A, no letter A, no O, no M, no A, no O, no U. Okay, so €5. Not bad. Let's go here. Let's use M2M. Grab and Gamble. My countryman, but lives in Arizona, USA. I need it's a winner. Back to back. Not back to back. Because 34 and 20. But I won. MIM. M-I-M. Nice. I need L to win the ALA. Of course, no L. Remo. No R. Tal. No T. Arca. A. No R. Luz. L-U. No Z. No L. Bim. B. O, A, and I. No E. Fera. F. No E. Okay. Pode. P, O. No D. No D. F. No L. Lua. No L. Punto. P, O, N. No T. So only this. The bonus. How much? B is €3. Okay, not bad, guys. I got 8 out of 16 euro session. Okay, let's go to 50x. I have ticket number 16, 15, and 16. I use this random red coin. Okay, we're looking for in Portuguese numbers. Is no 32, 12, 40, 23, 38, 13, 13, ¿qué? 37, 35, 11, 21, 12, 44, 33, 16, 42, 29, 27, 28, 27, 28, 29, 43, 14. Not a winner. 16. Let's go back to Foo Scratcher. Maybe he gives me at least money back in this ticket. We're looking for 41, 31, 45, 36, 33, 39, 43, 11, 23, 44, 13, no, 16, 12, all the numbers in the first ticket. 40, all the numbers in the first ticket are here. 22, 19, all the numbers in the first tickets are all here. 26, 38, 32, ay Lord, 35, no, this is not a winner. Okay, so there's no win in this. 50x, no win. Okay, so I got out of 16 euro session, guys. I got €8. Okay, not bad, guys. €8 is not bad. Okay, so €8 donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, I got all the wins on Palabras Sorturas. But the 50x, I got 0. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you.